So I have got the adjustable brake lever from my service center, which was most awaited accessories which I wanted to install on my bike. So as you can see, it's like perfectly like same shape as the stock levers. Just it has the I've added that sticker Italian flag to make it even more better. So actually it's easy to install. Just like two screws. I mean a screw and a nut only to be on like removed, and you can remove the brake lever. And then in the accessories packet itself, you receive the new bolt and nut and the grease thing to lubricate. So before all the install, I have just cleaned the surface thoroughly so that I can install the new grease. It's now I'm applying for the nuts and the area which actually uh, the brake lever to be placed, and even on the like the piston, the brake piston, this is going to be pressed, and on the brake lever as well. So this I just lubed it thoroughly so that there no need to be any restriction or like rubbing between the metals for the first time when I installed it. So actually it's easy to install. So just like that, I just removed the screw and put the old screw on the brake. So it is not a, it's not tight and all. It's like so easily. So at the bottom part, you have to install the nut. I just tightened everything at the hand tight only. Didn't tighten it too much, but I did tighten it. And I cleaned the surface where the excess grease have been applied, and the grease spread to my even on my accelerator as well. So I cleaned everything. You can see even when I started adjusting, I can adjust as per my needs, and even the brake switch is working proper.